Hi, I'm Justin with Access Unlimited. Today I'm going to go through technical details for a Easy-Reach in 2019 to 2025, which is current as of now, Subaru Ascent. We've got no permanent drilling to the vehicle, no permanent modifications. There are some plastics that get removed, trimmed, and we supply any plastics that must be trimmed. So you would just have your standard plastics and you can put them away, and if you ever decide to remove it or sell the vehicle, you would be able to put those right back on. We're going to rotate this out. So as you can see, it is a little bit of a tighter fit. We do add a spacer to the door limiter that allows the door to open slightly more. There's not a lot of head clearance for this one, so the seat does, when it on its way out, it needs to be in the all the way back position, and the seat has to be reclined a little bit. The controls are moved up here, so the normal factory controls for the seat slide and the rotate are up there. As you can see, this will go down quite far to be able to transfer. At this point in time, I'm actually touching the ground with the unit itself. So this does use the factory seat. There's no aftermarket seats. The seat just happens to be a different color than the interior for this. So I'll show you a couple things on the inside and the back here. This back area, you can see a little bit more. All the bolts are factory bolts still. They all use the factory bolt hole locations for the seat. There's, again, no drilling, no modifications whatsoever. Our emergency release for the latch right there. The pendant is wired through there and down and into the seat coils. So everything is located on the actual seat itself. So you've got that. You have your up-down motor here. On the back side of this, there is actually another emergency release to be able to bring the seat up or back down, depending on your situation. I'll run the unit here and you'll be able to see how this looks from back here. There is a couple different things. The seat height is slightly higher with this one, not by much, maybe about a ½ inch or so. This one does have a sensor where it will not allow you to rotate the seat out unless the seat is in the fully back factory position with the factory controls. That is pretty much everything for this. Thanks for checking out our videos, and you can see us on several different social media sites, including Facebook and all those. You can also reach us at 607-669-4822. Thanks.